Hey guys, it's Boy. I hope you guys are having a blessed whatever the time of the day it is for you. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make this little drawstring bag to fit your little utensils to carry around. You can put it on your hand, put it over your shoulder. It's stylish. It's yours. You made it. It's DIY. Okay, let's go on with the video. Alright, that's my intro. So without further ado, let's hop on into it.
So you'll need a shirt that you don't want anymore, sewing needle or needles and thread, a centimeter ruler, scissors, ribbon or 2 ribbons, utensils, and possibly masking tape. Straighten out your shirt so you don't miscut. Lay down your utensils so you find the desired size for your drawstring bag. For me it was 9 centimeters. And here I just added 13 more centimeters to make sure I have enough space to sew. Cut across those 2 sections. Measure and cut out 30 centimeters for each layer of fabric. With your longest utensil, you're going to be 1 centimeter away from the bottom edge and at least 1 centimeter above the top of the utensil so that you can sew around. And on each side, it should be at least 2 centimeters. Here are some needles in so that you see what it looks like. That section, do not sew. So remember 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, and those sections you should sew, not the thick needle section. That's the drawstring section. Now you sew. And make sure that it's in the right section and that it is aligned. If it isn't, your bag's gonna look a little wonky. A tip, use a ruler to keep the pin or needle aligned when you put it in a different section. When you get to an edge, make sure it is aligned with the next side you'll be going to. I'm proud of myself, that's pretty straight. Tip, use masking tape. I need 9 centimeters, starting from the sewing line to the edge of the masking tape. Once you reach to the end, put the needle back through, make sure you get the loop, and put the needle back again through that same loop, and pull so that you have a knot. Then for extra security, you can make another knot if you'd like to. Then cut off the excess string. Measuring 24.5 centimeters, I use a tape to know where to cut off the separating layer. Cut 5 millimeters away from the stitched edge and cut off the corner triangles. And cut the top corners in. And you should have something that looks like that, a weird looking T. Now fold out all the flaps. Then fold down to the 24.5 centimeter mark. Use masking tape to sew a straight line for the loop so that you leave a flap of about 5 milliliters. And then sew away. And make sure the middle section is on the outside so you know you folded it properly and you're sewing the right part. Once you've reached the end, push the needle back through the same hole. Use your thumb to hold the thread on the other side, push the needle through the same thread and pull. Then make another knot to assure that your thread won't get loose. If you'd like to, then snip it off. The drawstring section should be at least 5 millimeters from the edge. Once you have sewn the other drawstring section, you can flip the bag to be right side out with this section being in the middle. Now you can use the ruler or the edge of one of your utensils to push out the corner of the bag. Don't push too hard because you don't want to pop the thread. Trust me, you don't want to pop the thread. It's not fun. In the end, it should look like this with this section in the middle to separate the clean and dirty utensils. If the drawstring you want to use is too long, cut it to your desired length. To get the ribbons through the loops, I wrapped one end of the ribbon to the top of a utensil and pushed that end through the loops. To make a secure knot, pull on the ends to get the knot as tight as you can, then cut off the excess. Then, push ribbon B through the side where ribbon A is not tied, following through the next loop so that ribbon B can be tied tightly. Then cut off the excess.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed making that utensil drawstring bag with me. Don't forget that I post every second and fourth Thursday of every month. If you guys are interested, check out my description down below. There's some important stuff about my channel, about the video, etc. And you know the drill. Ignore the ting-a-da-ting-ting. Ting-a-ling-a-ling-ting, ting-a-ling-a-ling. Sorry. Without further ado, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!